Hey family, how are you? How are you?
I'm good.
You're good? You enjoying your walk?
Yes, my foot feeling it though.
Oh, you still have a little walk more?
Oh my God, my foot feeling it. It's almost 4 p.m. and we're still walking, and I leave my house from 10 a.m. this morning. Can you believe that about 10:30 I leave my house? I'm still a walk. Wow! That time me I need to put up the camera! Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I'm all dressed to head out. Where are we going today, you ask? We are going hiking in the cold. Ah, run! It's chilly here, as you guys know. It starts to chill up a bit here, and I hear somebody coming. I hear somebody coming. Say good morning, faves. Say good morning, faves.
Wow.
Say hello, faves. Say look. Say hello, faves. You're not saying hello? Look what she doing. Find one of her brother old art and craft and
We're
spin.
able to change a bell.
Say hello. Say good morning.
Size.
Hey. Hello. Say good morning. Come, say good morning. Get up. Say good morning.
Come on.
She's a mess. Anyway, guys, like I said, it starts to get chilly here, especially when it's windy. Your girl just wanna run. But we're going hiking today on a beautiful trail that Babe has been wanting to do for a while. Everybody is ready, clad in my hiking shoes, and I'm ready.
I am ready too.
Clad in the hiking shoes. Clad in his boots. Ready? Let's go. Where's the Passy? Where's the Passy? Go find Passy. Go find Baby. Where's Baby? Go look for Baby. Where's Baby? Where's Baby? Oh no. I don't see Baby. Anyway, there's one more person to find and then we can go. Go to Papa. Papa look for Baby. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning, Mama.
It's not me. It's Faves talking to you.
Good morning, Faith.
Ready? We're ready to go. You can pick up plane when we come back. Alright? Let's go. Come on. You continue. He's playing from when he woke up this morning. You see?
A red Mercedes.
Oh, you want a red Mercedes? So you're going to get rich.
Yes, like that I will be pilot. Like that I have a plane and a car that means first I'm going to be a pilot before to get the red car, because I think the red car because normally the red car is the one that we see the less, so that means I think it's the more expensive one. So I want to be a pilot, like that I get money, like that I get enough money to pay the car, like that I don't need to wait a very long time.
I like that reasoning. I like that. So you know what that means, right? That means you have to work very hard and very good at school. Right? Carré. Square head. It's a head with a square on it. We are in Nice town right now, and this is a very famous
library
art piece. There's a library right in there. I didn't know that you could go in here.
We could. I learned that in CP.
Okay. You guys, I'm laughing at myself because I've been here talking to you guys for about a minute or two and hasn't been. Oh hello. How are you? All right, you guys. So I saw somebody that said no, so I had to pause just now. That sun is pretty. It reminds me of Caribbean. It's very Caribbean-y, this boat here. The green one. Green and orange and yellow. Anyway, I was saying to you guys that we're going on a hike and we started here. This is our starting point. Tashika and her family is on their way coming, but we're a little bit ahead of them, a little jump start. Tyler, this is still a street where a car comes, so please to go over to Papa. So everybody is here. Sarah is chilling on my back. Tyler is here being Tyler. Yes, Ty?
Oh, when we're going at the bushy part.
We are heading there right now, but we have to start on the street, the bushy part. He's not a big fan of the street. So we're at the port in Nice. Yeah, we've been wanting to do this trail for a while, so we start off today. So let's go. Baby's over there. Baby will live for this. He'll just walk, enjoy the scenery, and we love doing this. So it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have fun, right, baby? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Sarah. Let's go. Let's go, Sarah. Let's go.
Ferry going to Corsica.
It's here. Ah, okay.
We have all of the car.
Okay.
They want to change. So the ferry might stop coming. They want to change to make all of this a park. Behind they want a park, to be a park. And here to make it different.
Okay.
Papa?
Tyler, stay here because there is nothing at the side. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. You see it coming? Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. We stop. The water gushes against the rocks, just beautiful. Wow. Wow! That time me I need to put up the camera! Oh babe, just get wet. Huh? Just your front? Okay. Oh my gosh, I have to pass this. I have to put up the camera because it might wet me when I'm passing. Hey! You're up.
Woo!
How far we gotta go?
Lordy!
All the way. It's about, if this is not 100 steps,
More.
I'm
More.
already started.
And it looks high.
And it keeps going up. Tell her how much you reach.
21.
Tell her it's 21.
It's high in terms of,
Oh my days.
it looks like it's never gonna end.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Keep up, keep up, keep up. Keep up, keep up, keep up. Whew. It's getting tired. Lordy, never finish.
Woo! Oh my gosh. The good thing is they have a bar. So I can use the bar to go up. Jaja. Oh my
I believe you are talking a bar like to drink something at the top.
Yes? How many?
105.
That's at 105. Woo! I love it though.
You understand why on the way they were saying a lot of stairs?
Oh my God. Woo! Talk about a good foot workout for today.
Yeah, you know if you want to do stairs, you know where to go now.
Talk about a good workout. Murder. Jaja. You feel me? Woo! Come on, let's go.
Mama dead.
Dead.
Mama dead.
How many? 169. Wow.
Look at me. I'm dead.
I can do it. Finish strong. Finish strong.
What if I tell you it's the wrong way we just took?
No, you know. Me not turn back. Me? Not turn back. Yeah, we could. It's lunchtime. Sandwich is on deck. Ready for our next one? Watch mouth. Bah! And the sun is hitting. I don't have my sunglasses on. I don't feel like putting it on really. But we're in the bushes right now. We come off the street. We came off the street and we're in the bushes. So we just hit the bushes and found some chairs along the way. So we are some benches along the way. So we're sitting down and eating. And hopefully our friends will catch us up at some point. But we're just here enjoying lunch. We have ham sandwiches. Can't go around with the ham sandwich in the bush. And some good water. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy lunch and we'll catch you guys along the trail at some point. Sarah in the sandwich. Say sandwich. Alright you guys, we reached the top of this hike. Wow, look at that. Oh, and the crew has finally caught up with us. Tashika caught up with us finally. The kids over there. And see Andy over there glutting water away. Wow, look at the train. Honey, babe, look. You see it? You see the train? Yeah. You don't see the train? You guys see the train from here? Let me see if I zoom it. What, you pass?
On the train.
Really?
You come in from Paris and you go Marseille.
Ah, okay.
Oui, ça c'est pour aller à Menton.
Hey, the train.
Oui, c'est quand tu es à Monaco, c'est le train.
It's long. You can see it so good from here. News flash.
This is Villefranche-sur-Mer, where you see all of these little boats. So this city is Villefranche-sur-Mer. See the port, see the beach, sand beach, and this, we call it Presqu'île in French. It's almost an island. We call it Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat.
Okay.
So Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. We went
hiking over there before.
Yeah, that's how we did our
intro. Yes.
Intro is there.
It's over here.
We have a second chair that is there. So we went to the beach to this other side. One thing, the house that you see there is
the chateau.
Is the house, is not
of
chateau.
the.
We call it.
It's a very historic house.
Yeah, it's the one we went with the garden.
Yeah, a few years ago. Look at the helicopter.
So this island, I always say, when you come here, this is the most expensive area.
Ah, remember you did say that a few times. Babe said it's the
estate.
most expensive area in the world for real estate. It's down there, but it's absolutely beautiful down there. So pretty. So that's where we are right now.
I see it.
Obviously, the way is this way.
I don't know why.
To go where?
To go where we go.
Oh, really?
It's not one way.
Alright, so anyway, you guys, this is where we are right now, and we are going to continue the trail. So let's go look at the kids. Look at them. Look at them over there. Look at those three. Three musketeers. Anywhere you hear one, you don't have to see them, you just hear them. You don't have to see them at all. Especially Tyler. Mouth loader. Three little stooges. Watch them. These are their chickens. It's still going a few hours later. Maybe like 4 hours in. Yeah, roughly 4 hours in. We're heading back to the beach. We left the bushes up and going back to the beach to head back to where we initially came from. So go. So we are heading back to the beach view right now.
We told you.
Oh, stop, Ty. Sit down on a stone right there or something.
Yeah, please.
So we are sitting down, taking a little break while we wait on the boys. Tyler, get out of the way.
Our secret had to remain secret.
Look at my gal. Look at my gal. Look at my gal. But I'm not taking her down now because we soon leave again. We just here. Get out of the way and come over here. So yes, you can sit there.
Oh no.
But him meditating. This damn boy. We're listening to the wave of the water. Yes,
Hear you, the wave of the water. You know, you're mad now.
so what? Not the wave of the water?
Don't you mean the sound of the waves?
It's still the same thing.
Hey family, how are you? How are you?
I'm good.
You're good? You enjoying your walk?
Yes, my foot's feeling it though.
Oh, you still have a little walk more?
Oh my God, my foot's feeling it. It's almost 4 p.m. and we're still walking, and I leave my house from 10 a.m. this morning. Can you believe that about 10:30 I leave my house? I'm still a walk. Still walking, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Nature at its finest. I wouldn't have this life any other way.
We are the part that is, we went back to the side of the beach. You can see the kids here. I like the way, I like how they make the way. Here and the chit chat girl, the chit chat woman, the chit chat woman. We find a lot of boats like this along the way. You're gonna see a lot of boats like this in Nice. I think this is like a school or like a club for persons scuba diving or whatever babe call that. So yeah, that looks cool, but it looks freezing to do that at that time of the year. But that's cool. So family here, a lot of stairs there. I'm gonna try to catch them. They're all here. Oops. Alright, let's go catch them.
gosh, you guys, what an amazing long day we've had. We just got back home at midnight. For the second time we got back home. We got home from the hiking and just showered and head back out because we had to go to dinner with our other friend, Jamaican friend, Danielle. You guys would have seen Danielle in some vlogs far back, but I didn't get to vlog at Danielle. We were just chatting and the time was just moving so quickly that I didn't get to vlog. But we had raclette, French speciality during winter time, where you put the machine in the middle of the table and there's cheese and potato and meat and stuff like that. That's what we had at Danielle. But anyway, we had a wonderful day hiking with Tashika and her family, and then out with at Danielle's house with her family, and it was just a long day. Got back home and of course the kids fell asleep in the car by the time we got back home, and we're going to bed right now. See, I'm in pajama on my bed here. I wanted to just come on and end the vlog and tell you guys thanks for watching. If you made the vlog this far, then appreciate you without skipping. You are awesome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back to watch us. And I just want to tell you guys that we appreciate every single one of you. And I'm just gonna end the vlog here because everybody's in bed and I'm going to join them right now. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.